Yo, 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 we back. We back again with another one. Checking out the scanners this morning. It's 10:24, almost 1 hour since the opening bell. We have a couple runners already. I'm checking the pre-market runners. Scanner, DBGI, net percent change, 4,497% at the moment. MLGO, net percent change 2,055% as of right now. Bluebird Bio Company, net percent change 1,763. And Momentous, 1,294% net change. And things can change, you know. And I'll check out the chart DBGI. So let's go to the daily. Yeah. So what I have, this rectangular box right here, is kind of like a range where it's gonna get really tight. Um, it's gonna be a lot of resistance right here as well. It hasn't even got to that point. So you gotta understand all the people who held down here and it finally shot up. Could be anything, could be news, uh, could be shorts releasing their shares. Let's go back. MLGO. Let's look at that. I'll go ahead and look at the ones that I mentioned. And this is definitely not a buy or sell. This is just education purposes only. I want you to understand chart patterns. It's all about memorizing patterns. You have to memorize patterns. It's more of a visual game, and then everything else is more of noise. But some noise is good. And when I say noise, it's everything right here: indicators, um, level two, timing cells, all of that is noise. All you really need is the candlestick patterns. But additional information is helpful. That's why I have this stuff presented right here, like the volume. Volume, I think, is the most important thing in the stock market because without volume, where's the price going? Let's look at a lower time frame, 15-minute consolidating. It has to break VWAP for it to continue. I'm not even gonna keep looking at that one. Blue, let's look at blue. Blue, this is the 15-minute chart. It's still above VWAP. If it breaks VWAP, trouble may be coming. And let's check out the daily on this. Daily max, because you want to zoom out, look left always. And look at that right there. This is going to be the range. And guys, the the drawings it don't have to be perfect because like I said, you want to remember candlestick patterns. But you do want to set your range up to see the supply and demand in that area. All right, what's going on? We're back at it again with the after hours scanner, checking out some stocks that we have been keeping an eye on for the past couple weeks. And we're going to go through and check out the ranges that we set up for each individual stock and see if the price has broke out of that range or if it's still trading. So let me go ahead and refresh the scanner and we're going to start. So we got blue on the daily right here. We have our range and it looks like it broke out of the range today. Let's do DBGI. Kept the eye on that as well. So it looks like it's still trading in the range. The low would be like low threes. That would be like your support. but it's still trading in the range, which is good. So you're just waiting for that consolidation and confirmation of the breakout. Let's look at MLGO. This was another one. Exhausted. It's been beaten down. Did a little bounce. And this was the range that we tried out. And once again, the moving average is riding the price. The moving averages are above the price. So that would be a downtrend. And this is what you see, the downtrend. And it looks like today candle tested the bottom of our range. Good stuff. TRVI. This was another one in the range. Let's go ahead and zoom out on the max. So this is what you want to see right here. So this was previously, this was back in 2022. History repeats itself. Tested the range. Could not break through completely with a confirmation of a next candlestick above the range. Crossed the moving averages, went down. And then we're back at it again. And it looks like it's currently in the range. So you would still want to keep an eye on that. Let's look at the intraday. Intraday is still trading. That is good. So I would keep an eye on TRVI. And we'll check out SPA to see how SPA went. So good trend on the daily. Nice trend. I have a previous play right here where it was more of a resistance play, and then it turned to a support. So the price bounced off the resistance line, and then it rejected, went down, gapped up, and then this is where the previous resistance line became support, and then this is where we are, and you have a moving average testing the price on the daily. So it's looking real tight. It's starting to get tight right here.